When I start cleaning the Oriental rug for Mrs. April, I text her a video how I clean her rug. She texts me back. Allow me to read you what she said to me. How exciting! This rug has been through 6 children, family, 3 dogs, and 1 cat. The French had chocolate milk on them as well. Thank you so much, Mr. Martin. Have a lovely weekend. I love to hear something like this from my customers. Encourage me to do even better job. Please come to my warehouse and listen how the XpetPee machine working. I built the XpetPee machine and put together the blended minerals from the Dead Sea. This cleaner, it's natural, organic, eatable, odor-free. It's meant I am not going to deposit any unpleasant smell into your rug. And I guarantee in writing, color will never run because I'm using the Dead Sea cleaner and the XpetPee machine. The tube is my indication how clean is the rug. So when I start the cleaning process, I know in the beginning it's like chocolate mustard. It's dirty. It's full of soap and chemicals. And slowly when I continue the cleaning process, the cleaner go through the rug, and everything that on the way to the sewage, I can see the tube. This is the final cleaning process. Enjoy my video? You're welcome to subscribe and write your comment below. Thank you for watching PetPeePee. Every Oriental rug it's clean when the tube is clear. I laid the rug on the floor overnight, and the next morning I will hang the rug. Take a look how sharp the color is. No color run, no fuzziness. The rug is free from the 6 children, the 3 dogs, and 1 cat. That's it. Would you like your Oriental rug to be clean like this? Stay tuned and see how we fold Oriental rug for shipping. Folding Oriental rug for shipping or for storage the right way. Flip the Oriental rug so the back of the rug will face to the ceiling. Fold the rug the right way. Do not put tape on the rug. Put the rug in the garbage bag. The big 55-gallon drum, 8 by 10, will go perfectly into it. Pictures of the package and text it to 954-594-2564. We will email you the UPS label. Put the label on the bag and we will arrange UPS to come to your door and pick it up. Thank you very much. PetPeePee, Oriental rug drapery cleaning from dog and cat urine odor.
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said PetPeePee works and it guarantees it too. PetPeePee.